Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video we shall take important question relating to solution of simultaneous linear equations. First question, if matrix A is 2 3 1, then 1 2 2 minus 3 1 minus 1, find A inverse, and hence solve equations 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 13, then x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4 and x plus 2y minus z is equal to 8. Solution we have A is equal to 1 2 3 1 1 2 2 minus 3 1 minus 1. So we find determinant A expanded by first row 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 6, then plus 1 into 1 plus 6 is equal to minus 8, then minus 15 plus 7, which is equal to minus 16. Then we find cofactors of elements of A. C11, first element is, cofactor of first element is minus 2 minus 2. It's minus 4, C12 minus, it will be minus 1 plus 6. It is minus 5. C13 is equal to last element, first row, 1 plus 6 is 7. Then C21 is minus first element of second row, cofactors, minus 3 minus 1, it is 4. C22 is equal to second element of second row, minus 2 plus 3, it is 1. Then C23 is equal to last element of second row, it is 2 plus 9, minus 2 plus 9, it is minus 11. Then C31, first element of third row, it is 6 minus 2, 4. Second 32 is equal to minus 4 minus 1 is minus 3. C33 is equal to last element of last row, it is 4 minus 3, it is 1. Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of matrix of cofactors. It's minus 4 minus 5 7, then 4 1 minus 11, then 4 minus 3 1. The transpose, it will be, first row will be first column, minus 4 minus 5 7, 4 1 minus 11, 4 minus 3 1. Then A inverse is 1 over determinant A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A is minus 1 over 16. Sorry, it is minus 16. It will be 1 over minus 16 into adjoint is minus 4, 4, 4, minus 5, 1 minus 3, 7 minus 1, sorry, minus 11, 1. Now, we have equations 2x plus y, 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 13, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 8. Now, given that A is 231, then 1 2 3 1 1 2 2, 2 3 1 1 2 2 minus 3 1 minus 1. Now please see very carefully that the coefficients of first equation is not the first row, it is first column 2 1 minus 3. Similarly, coefficients of second equation 3 2 1, it is not second row, it is second column 3 2 1. Similarly, coefficients of third equation 1 2 minus 1 is not third row, it is third column. So A is not a coefficient matrix, but transpose of A will be the coefficient matrix. Therefore, transpose of A is 2 3 1, second row, second column 1 2 2, minus 3 1 minus 1. Now you can see this 2 1 minus 3, 3 2 1, then 1 2 minus 1 is a coefficient matrix. Once again, after finding A inverse, you will compare the elements of given matrix A with the coefficients of all three given equations. If the coefficients of three equations are the elements of rows, then A will be the coefficient matrix. If the coefficients of all the three equations are the elements of three columns, then it will not be coefficient matrix, then the transpose of A will be coefficient matrix. Therefore, we shall write it as transpose of A will be coefficient matrix, X is the variable matrix, and B will be constant matrix 13 4 8. Therefore, this whole system is written as, therefore it will be written as X is equal to transpose of A whole inverse B, which we write it as transpose of inverse of A into B. Why? Because A transpose whole inverse is equal to transpose of inverse. Now, since transpose determinant of transpose is equal to determinant of phi is equal to minus 16, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, inverse of transpose of phi exists. Now we have x is equal to A inverse whole transpose B. A inverse is minus 1 over 16 minus 1 over 16 into minus 4, 4, 4, then minus 5, 1 minus 3, 7, minus 11, 1 whole transpose into B is 13, 4, 8. 13, 4, 8. So we shall take as transpose minus 1 over 16 into first row will be first column minus 4, 4, 4. Second row will be second column minus 5, 1, minus 3. Then 7 minus 11, 1 into 13, 4, 8. So we multiply first row this column minus 52 minus 20 plus 56. This with this. Then second row with this 52 plus 4 minus 88. Then third row with this 52 minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 1 over 16 into, we calculate this, it will be minus 16, this, then minus 32, this, 88 minus this 56, it will be 56 minus 72 minus 56, then 52 plus 8 is 60 minus 12 is 48, which is equal to, divide by this, it is 1, 2, minus 3. 1, 2 minus 3, this will give you x is 1, y is 2, z is minus 3. This is the answer. Exactly in the same way you will do this practice question. Practice question. If matrix A is equal to 1 to 0, then minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, then 0, minus 1, 1. Then find A inverse. Using A inverse, solve system of equations. System of equations. X minus 2y is equal to 10. 2x minus y minus z is equal to 8. Then 2y plus z is equal to 7. Now, as we have done in the previous question, initially you can check it that the coefficients of all these, whether the coefficients of all the equations are rows or columns. First coefficient of first equation is 1 minus 2 0. But the coefficient of here first row is 1 2 0. First column is 1 minus 2 0. Similarly, coefficient of second equation is 2 minus 1 1. It is same as second column. Third is coefficients of 0 2 1, which is same as third column. So exactly in the same way, here you will find out A inverse, then the coefficient matrix will not be A. that will be the transpose of A, as you have seen. Once again, you will see the coefficients of all these equations. Check whether these coefficients are columns or rows. If they are rows, then it's a simple. You will take x is equal to A inverse B. But if they are columns, as in this case, 1 minus 2 0, first column, 2 minus 1, second column, 0 2 1, third column. So in this case, the coefficient matrix will be transpose of A. And in the same way as we have done in the first, you will take x is equal to inverse of transpose of A into B, then you will solve this. And the answer you can check is, answer is x is 0, y is minus 5, z is minus 3. So such type of questions, they are very important questions. If you find any problem, then you can write in comments, then I shall again explain. So that's all. In the that's all. In the next video, we shall take more very important questions relating to solutions of simultaneous equations. So please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to the mathematics for everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.